This is incredible. This is unbelievable. This is amazing. This is awesome. These are some of the most beautiful fish in the world. And this is where they live. This is their home. The Coral Caves of Bali, Indonesia. This is one of the best kept secrets in scuba diving. This is not a secret anymore. I'm gonna tell you all about it. This is a place where the corals have grown over the entrance to these caves, creating an oasis for the fish to live in. It's almost like they're in a different world. They're safe from predators! They have plenty of food and clean water. What more could they ask for? And when I say plenty of food, I mean a buffet. A buffet of plankton. A buffet of algae. A buffet of coral. These fish are living the life of luxury. So what kind of fish are we talking about here? Well, let me tell you. The big ones, the small ones, the colorful ones, the ones that you've never seen before. All the fish are drawn to these caves because of the abundant supply of food. Now, let me show you something else. Have you ever seen anything like this before? What about now? How about now? How about this? What you're looking at is a giant clam. This is a true giant clam. It can grow up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters in length, and they can weigh up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. Now that's a heavy clam. Giant clams are filter feeders. They basically eat plankton and algae. They open their mouths, and the current brings the food to them. Life doesn't get much easier than that. Now let me show you something even cooler. This is a blue-ringed octopus. It's small. It's only about the size of my thumb. But don't be fooled by its size. This little octopus is a venomous creature. Its venom is so powerful that it can kill a person. Yes, a tiny octopus that can kill a person. Blue-ringed octopus are found in the Pacific Ocean, from Japan to Australia. They're also found in the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea. Now you know why it's important to be careful when you're diving. Even the smallest creatures can be dangerous. So, how do these octopuses get their food? Well, they eat fish. They also eat other octopuses. They basically eat anything that moves. One of the best things about diving in these caves is the water. It's always crystal clear. There's no murky water here. The light from above filters down into the caves and creates these beautiful sunbeams. It's like a ray of sunshine just for you. The water temperature is always perfect. It's around 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius. And the current is always calm. It's like a swimming pool, only better because you're surrounded by corals and fish. Now, let me show you something else. Have you ever seen anything like this before? What about now? How about now? These are called sea fans. They're not actually fans, but they are related to corals. Sea fans are made up of tiny polyps. These polyps are connected to each other by a central axis. The polyps have stinging cells. They use these cells to capture their food. Sea fans come in all shapes and sizes. Some are tall and thin, while others are short and wide. They can be found in all colors of the rainbow. Now let me show you something else. Have you ever seen anything like this before? What about now? How about now? This is a leather coral. It gets its name from its tough, leathery texture. Leather corals are very sensitive to changes in the environment. If the water temperature gets too high, the corals will die. That's why it's so important to protect our oceans. We need to keep the water clean and healthy for the corals and all the other marine life. Leather corals can be found in all sizes. Some are small and delicate, while others are large and imposing. They come in a variety of colors, including brown, red, and green. This is truly a magical place. The Coral Caves of Bali, Indonesia. If you ever get the chance to dive here, I highly recommend it. Just be careful of the blue-ringed octopus.